don't forget this one thing if you're going to list your home in the spring. Today, we're going to talk about all the things that you need to do before you list your home in the spring market here in and around the Baltimore metro area.
People ask us every day, what do I need to do to get my house ready to sell? First of all, you don't need to do anything. You can just pick up the phone and call us. But you're here because you're trying to educate yourselves. And so we are going to give you the 4 things that we make every single seller do before we list their house. Beyond that, there are specific strategies and recommendations we will make, but these 4 things are consistent with every single listing that we take. So never too early to start doing things like this in your own home. And even if you're not moving, these are things that will elevate your living experience.
So the first one here, Kelly's going to talk to you about.
Decluttering. So you're going to go through every room and eliminate anything that doesn't need to be there. This could be knickknacks, collections. This could be just decor that you don't need. We want to really edit out what's in your space. So if there's furniture you're not using, if there are, extra sets of dishes that you're not using, if there are clothes in your closet that you can thin out because you don't need them in the season, anything that you can pack away is going to make your space feel bigger, cleaner, brighter, and just a little bit easier for a buyer to picture themselves in your home. Once you're done with that, go back and do it again because nobody ever takes enough stuff out the first time.
And if you don't have enough time to, really get knee deep into removing all the clutter, we have somebody that we partner with that can do it all for you. So let me know in the comments, is your house cluttered? I'm sure you're going to say yes, but hey, it might not be as bad as you think. Up next, we have
Depersonalize. So you're going to go through your house and you're going to take down all of those personal family photos because guess what? When we list your house, it is going to get thousands of eyeballs all across the internet on it. They do not need to see a picture of your grandkid. They do not need to know what you look like. This is for safety. And this is also so that they can, again, visualize themselves in the space. And they can't do that with all of your personal family photos. So you might be thinking, Kelly, once I take those all off of my wall, I'm going to have nail pops everywhere. You have 2 options. Number 1, you can patch and paint and we can help you with that. Or you can simply replace your personal photos with a scrap piece of paper or a stock image. That's a good way to make your house look uniform and very clean without having all of those nail holes all over when we're about to list your house. So 2 options, they both work really well.
the next one, which is probably my favorite because I'm a little OCD, I guess, but is deep cleaning.
So we're going to send a professional into your house to deep clean. This is not your average weekly clean. This is appliances, ceiling fans, baseboards, windows. This is the whole 9. It costs less money than you think and your house will shine in pictures. This is also one of the things that we want to do as close to pictures as possible so nothing gets messed up.
Let me know in the comments the last time you actually cleaned your baseboards. I bet you it's been years. And now this last one is probably going to surprise you a bit.
Deodorize. Your house has a smell. Every house has a smell. But if that smell is a pet odor, cigarette, or a specific type of food scent, we really need to remove that from the house before we have buyers coming in and out. We have solutions for every type of scent, and we have no problem telling you if we walk into your home and we smell one of them because it is so important for buyers to be able to come in and smell a blank slate as much as they see a blank slate.
And it's certainly not personal. Kelly and I both have a dog. We both have kids. We get it. It happens. But
that's why we have no problem letting you know because you need to before you sell your house. The way you live is not going to be the way your house shows when we're selling it. And those are 2 different things. Living is very different than showcasing, and we can help navigate you down that path. It's not personal, and everyone needs to do it to have a really successful outcome once they go on market.
Did you guys really even notice that all of these options started with a D?
So easy to remember. 4 things that you need to do before your house is ready for sale. We'll walk you through all of those and any others that your specific house needs, but those are 4 that we're going to ask everyone to do across the board.
I'm Mike Mislinski.
I'm Kelly Shuitt. We love exploring in and around Baltimore with you and also giving you the behind the scenes strategies that help our buyers and sellers win in every market. Make sure you link, subscribe, like, and share, and we'll catch you on the next video.